Today, we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Chase Rack and Tire Carrier system for the 2024 Plus Expedition. Install time for this item is around 60 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of intermediate. You will need the following tools for this project: a 16mm socket, 6mm hex bit socket, power drill, drive ratchet, 16mm combination wrench, and a 6mm hex key. Step 1. We're going to install the side rack panels. Start by removing the bed rail end cap. Next, slide 2 T-bolts into the rail system, one in the top channel and one in the side channel. Now, position the side panel over those bolts, starting with the top bolt. Secure each bolt with a washer, a lock washer, and a jam nut. Just keep everything hand tight. We'll fully tighten the hardware once both side panels and the center panel are installed. Once you've completed one side, go ahead and repeat the same steps for the other side. Step 2. Let's install the center rack panel. Each side will use 3 6mm Allen bolts, 3 flat washers, 3 lock washers, and 3 of the 5/8 nuts. Start by loosely attaching the hardware. Remember, keep everything hand tight so you can align the panels properly. Once one side is in place, repeat the same process on the other side. Step 3. We're going to install the side tire rack panels. Now, the DRT Tire Carrier does come with a filler panel for builds that don't use the DRT Chase Rack. In this installation, we'll disregard that filler panel. Start by attaching the hardware to the panel. You'll need 6 T-bolts, 6 washers, 6 lock washers, and 6 5/8 nuts. Go ahead and loosely install all the hardware. Remember, keep everything hand tight for now. Once that's done, begin aligning the T-bolts with the bed track system. Take your time here, as proper alignment is key to making the panel fit securely. Step 4. Let's install the center tire carrier panel. To keep this a one-person job, we are going to install the hardware on one side. The center panel can rest on it while we bolt up the other side. Each side of the center panel attaches with 3 bolts. Once both sides are bolted together, take a moment to check your alignment. Make sure everything lines up correctly. Now, you can begin tightening down all of the hardware. This tire carrier also comes with 2 brackets. They will help keep your oversized tire positioned correctly when using a Y-strap. We can now verify that the tire carrier is properly positioned on the bed, ensuring the tailgate opens and closes freely without any interference. Once confirmed, reinstall the bed rail end cap and tighten down all the hardware with a 16mm ratchet and combination wrench. The DRT chase rack and tire carrier kit maximizes rear storage and expands what you can carry on your expedition adventures. The DRT Motorsports Polaris XPEDITION Tire Carrier is an essential upgrade for owners who need to carry a spare tire while still having ample room for additional cargo. Constructed from laser-cut, formed, and welded steel, it provides a strong foundation to secure a spare tire or additional gear on top. The lower bed portion is enclosed to keep items from falling out, with enough clearance underneath to fit most 12V electric coolers. Multiple attachment points on the bed risers allow you to mount tools and accessories for your trips. The chase rack attaches quickly and securely to the Expedition's extruded aluminum bed rails, maintaining full functionality of the tilt bed feature. The DRT Motorsports Polaris XPEDITION chase rack is a complete bolt-on modular rack offering multiple mounting options for lights in forward, side, rear, or overhead positions, ensuring visibility in any situation. Built from laser-cut, formed, and welded steel, the rack provides strong mounting points for lighting while featuring clear anodized aluminum mesh plates that add contrast and can be color customized to match your rig. Like the tire carrier, the chase rack installs cleanly to the bed rails without affecting the tilt bed function. delivering both utility and style in one package. Congratulations, you have now installed your new DRT Motorsports chase rack and tire carrier system for the 2024 Plus XPEDITION. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Own the dirt with DRT.